What's going on, peeps? I'm gonna try this real quick. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I got my headphone in. I've never had to do this before. We're gonna try to open this pack up real quick while I have a slow moment here at work. Hopefully I can get this open because we gotta get this done lickety split. So far, it's QR code for y'all peeps. Let's do, what's that? 1, 2, 3. I think it's 4. Let's see. We got a water energy, a Macargo, a league staff, Crocorock, a Skidoo, Eevee, Trubbish, Shuppet, Choodle. Oh man, is that a oh man, a holographic Zacian. Oh, that's a rare. Oh man, that is. Oh man, what if the pack from Pokemon Center? And the last one is. Oh, I already have this, but sweet. Oh man, what a great pack from the Pokemon Center. God bless. Oh man. Good work day, peeps.